To find nearby people in Instagram. Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna quickly walk you through that how to find your nearby people or your friends in Instagram. So what I need you to do first is go to Play Store and search for Instagram. Please make sure you have the updated Instagram app on your phone to do that. So next, the following option is you have to go to on your profile on Instagram. So what you need to do next is click on search. Then you have to type your location, that where you lived in. You have to type your location like that. I'm in Dammam in Saudi Arabia. I am typing Dammam. After that, here you can see here is so much option for you: accounts, audio, tags, places. Okay, you have to click on places option here like that. Okay, then I'm clicking Dammam, Saudi Arabia. Okay, here you can see it's loading. After that, you have to scroll down the option like that. You have to just zoom out. Okay, here you can see popular nearby. Here you can see some Instagram account nearby me. So this is how you can find a Instagram account nearby you. Okay, so please, I hope like this video helped you. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel. This is how you can find your nearby people or nearby friends in your location in Instagram.